Creative Atmosphere.
Hello everyone, this is Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere, and today I'm going to be drawing Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's the Prime Minister of India. I've started out with the shape of his glasses. On a lot of my drawing videos, you've noticed that I somewhat start with the cheekbone area, so it kind of varies. It just depends on what I'm looking at here, what I figure would be the easiest way to get big block portions of the drawing laid in. And we're coming along pretty good here. We've got the eyebrows and the glasses in. Now it's time for the eyes. Keeping this shape as simple as possible. Now I'm putting the pupils in that area there. And those little dots represent the eye, the light that's shining in his eyes. So we're going to close the eye area up with the bottom lids and draw in Minister Modi's nose. And just coloring in the darkness of his nostril area there. And now just adding a little bit more detail in the eyebrow area there. Directional area for the hair. Directional lines for the hair and his eyebrows. I don't want to make them too dark with lines because these are gray hairs, so I've got to leave room to indicate that it's not total black. It's I want to keep it light as possible. So from here, I'm using my pencil to draw in the shape of Minister Modi's head. And from there, I'm going down to the cheek area and just shaping out the rest of his face, trying to pull everything together here. I'd like to also take a second to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel, helping to grow the Creative Atmosphere community. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. And drop a comment below and let me know who you'd like to see drawn in future videos. I hope that you're drawing along with this video here. If it's going too fast for you, just hit that pause button and draw at your own pace. This video was modified. The timing of the video was modified. It took me 30 minutes to draw the video, and I figured that might be a little bit too long, so I better do a little bit of modification on the timing here. But if you don't mind the longer videos, you can drop a comment below and let me know that as well. But if the shorter videos work for you, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Time is of the essence. So now I'm drawing in the shape of Minister Modi's hair. And now that I'm looking at it, I was going to say I could have brought the top of his hair down a little bit because it's not as puffy on top. His hair is rather even all the way around. But the good thing about it is I've penciled it in, but I could take my marker and actually change the shape. Let's see if I'm going to do that here. Yeah, I did change it just a tad bit, not much. But it didn't go up as high with it, shall I say. And here I'm just putting in a little bit more detail for the eye area, making it a little darker there. And now I'm adding in the mustache. This is a rather full mustache here, even his beard. It's a nice groomed mustache and beard, very thick. And we are pretty much at the half point of this video, and if you've made it this far, I hope that you're enjoying the content. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I hope that your drawing is turning out the way, if you chose to draw along with the video, I hope that it's turning out the way that you would like it to turn out. If not, try and try again until you get the result that you want. So here I'm just putting in the hair around his bottom lip and enclosing the hair around his mouth. And we pretty much got the groundwork laid in for the character drawing of Minister Modi. I'm drawing the shape of his shoulders there. So it just won't look like there's a floating head on the paper. Now he's got shoulders there to support the head. I'm coloring in the eye section here. And now I've picked up the gray marker and I'm adding in the shadows. He has a lot of shadows around his eyes here, so that should also help to make this rendition of Minister Modi a little bit more well, give it a little bit more of a likeness to him. And we're almost done. Moving down the home stretch, as they say. It's very interesting to try and depict gray hair, or white hair, shall I say. Because I'm using the highlight to show some of the shadows in the whiteness of the hair. And I just don't want to do too much. I have to be very careful. To not ruin it by adding too much value. I'm working on a glass table just in case anyone was wondering. You can kind of see my feet move around a little bit from time to time. And this is coming out rather nice. I wasn't too sure of it at first, but I'm happy with how it's turning out. I may do another one of Minister Modi in another with another expression on his face in the near future. But don't forget, if there's anyone you would like to see me draw on the Creative Atmosphere channel, drop your suggestion in the comment section below and I'll get to it. I'm really shocked that I didn't get marker on the table. I think I got a marker too here or there, but yeah, see, right around there, but I knew I should have had a piece of paper underneath this paper that blocked me from getting it on the table. But I'll see if I can get that mark out. I know this is a permanent marker, so you have to be careful with those kind of things. And that's permanent ink in that marker as well. So now I'm going to put Minister Modi's name on the artwork. And I'd like to thank everyone so much for tuning in. I hope your drawing turned out well. This has been Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere. Until next time, bye for now.